Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to pre-market update. You can see futures. This is S&P 500 touched multiple times this buy zone yesterday. So gave you so many opportunities. You can see around 11 a.m., then again around 11:30 a.m., and then again around 1:20 p.m., and then again around 2 o'clock p.m. So you can see lot of opportunities on the tag here, and then it's bouncing. And I share this all with all my subscribers, and they knew what the levels were. And now it's in the neutral zone. So again, so today there are two things. Either it's going to go back to here around 67, 63, look to buy there. In the middle, there's no edge. Okay, so either it goes here 0.33% down, look to buy there, or it goes here around 6809, and that's where you can look to sell. So around 0.36% higher, that's a time to take profit. In the middle, there is no edge. Okay, it's just chop zone. So wait for it to go here or there. Nasdaq, very similar story. Nasdaq was stronger. It did not touch the green line, but it came very close. So you have to keep both indices in the mind and see which indices is touching the green zone. So and plan accordingly. So right now it's here. So again, look to buy below 25,185. Look to sell above 25,400. Tesla pre-market yesterday was a great time, and I bought Tesla. You can see it touched here in the green zone. Very amazing trades here, and since then it just bounced almost to 3% now. So amazing trade. All you need to do is just wait for these opportunities. Just takes one trade to make 3% in one day, and it's unbelievable. Bitcoin, all right, same story here. Bitcoin also I bought. I shared TikTok video and YouTube video short with the live when the Bitcoin was going here. I said this is the time to buy and see what's going on right now. Bitcoin bounced nicely since touching. So you shorted here. It dumped 3.36% and then bought here in the buy zone, and where it is right now, almost 2% higher. So easy trades. And again, what we're going to do here, we'll wait for Bitcoin to go below 12900 or sell above 122. So right now there's no edge. So just keep waiting which way it goes. We'll keep an eye on that. All right. Give me a second. All right. Yeah. So Bitcoin is here right now. Look to buy below 128.97. So around 12900. So from where it is pre-market almost flat. It can go around 0.8%. That's a good area to buy. And then inversely, 120 to 550 is a good area to sell. These are short-term chart. Let's look at long-term charts. Guys, hit the like button if you like the content and find some value here. And let's try to go with the daily chart and see how things are going here. And you can see this is daily chart of SPX, and we are getting a 9 count sell signal. Very interesting. So last time we got next day pullback. Here we got 4 days of pullback. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4 days of pullback. So usually we could get 1 to 4 days of pullback. So if we get a pullback, it's not a bad thing. It's a good thing in a bull market. So let's see if we get that or not. This is MES chart live market, and it's holding very nicely on this green line, which is 10 moving average. And this is SPY up slightly pre-market. So we'll see what they do today. But any pullback could find support here. This is NDX, Nasdaq, same thing here, 9 count sell signal. 1 hour chart has a gap here. So that's kind of bothering me. On SPX, they fill this gap. You can see this gap was filled yesterday, but on NDX, it did not fill. And that gap from where it closed yesterday could take 0.95%. So just keep that in mind that they might be trying to fill that gap today or next week. So who knows? But live market here also after 9 count sell signal just holding flat right now. And then this is triple Q. These are the gap. The gap here is around 605-ish area. All right. Bitcoin. All right. So Bitcoin is holding nicely about 10 moving average. Got a 8 count sell signal, just holding it here. Let's see eventually if we're gonna get a bounce or not. We'll keep an eye on this. But we did get a pullback. So let's see right now. I don't have any buy signal yet. This is BTC futures. There's a gap around 109, 109K, 110K, which is quite far away. Ethereum also holding, barely holding this support, 20 moving average white line. And this is ETH gaps. Gap is around 40.77. That top gap is around 48.32. We'll see which way it goes. VIX is also not showing any sign, just building up for the largest time. Just keep building, and then eventually it's going to blow at some point. It's just keep building the, uh, I think energies keep building. but still no bounce yet. This is Tesla looking for this gap fill and looking to exit my positions here around 437, only like 0.4% away. So could be like first minute after market open, this will be filled most likely. Apart from that, nvda all-time high with a gap up. Microsoft 9 count sell signal actually, so that's very interesting. Let's see if it's going to play out or they're going to keep pumping it higher. We don't know. In front of multiple supports here, so it's not going to be easy to break down. There are a lot of EMAs here to hold it. Apple was little down, could be coming for this gap fill 246, so I'll keep an eye right now, or is maybe just gonna flag here. Google was also down, could be making a double bottom after this rally and then starting higher. Amazon above all moving averages finally, and could be holding it here for a next rally to other gap fills. Next to gap fills 248 to 251. Facebook finally showed strength and now going higher. Going towards this gap fill 757. Netflix also nice rally, V-shaped recovery, 7 counts buy signal here, just going higher. Looks like it wants to go 1217, 1271. avgo was also holding nicely. CrowdStrike was also hanging in here. ServiceNow could be one of the laggers, could be a great buy here. Earnings coming soon, could be trying to go and hit this gap around 1143. We'll see. Bond market up very nicely. Pre-market up almost 1%. You can see TLT is up. So looks good here. TSX got 9 count sell signal yesterday. Let's see if it's going to come back or they're going to continue. All depends on gold actually. Looks like, look at commodity crude oil dumping. Oh my God, 9%, 2.9% down. So could be a good day to buy some of these oil stocks. So we'll see. Natural gas also dumping with gold. This gap is filled. Sorry, with oil. Gold is holding it. Had a decline, but could be possible that we are already seen the top around here day before yesterday around 4100 area, 4015 and 4060 area. We'll see. Silver also just chopping around with gold. Copper also recovering since this big dump. Um, Apart from that, AMD getting a 9 count sell signal here, so just be very careful. AMD bulls could be trying to come back. This one now could have seen the top. Um, you can see here we got a top like that, and since then just declined. So be very careful here. Qualcomm also looks okay. Shopify also 7 count sell signal could be coming lower a bit. So a lot of sell signals on these big caps, big cap stocks. So be careful. Oil miners could be the day to buy today because oil is down so much. So I'll be keeping an eye on oil miners. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Let's see how things are going. Hit the like button if you like the content. And if you want to know more about these zones, stocks I'm buying and selling, subscribe to my channel. Link is in the description of this video. Click the join button and let me know your user ID so I can move you to Discord channel where I share what I'm buying and selling. And any questions you have, you can directly ask me. Okay, bye.